Hello, Healthians. My name is Surya. I'm a nutritionist and founder of Surya's NutriCare, a sports and wellness clinic based in Bangalore. Today's video is going to be for those who are into skincare. You would have heard the saying, you are what you eat, which is absolutely true when it comes to skincare. No amount of expensive skincare products can fix a poor diet you're putting within. So today we'll talk about what are the nutrients that enhances your skin and the foods that needs to be excluded along with a surprising tip by end of the video. So let's start. The first nutrient that is very important for your skin health is vitamin C, ascorbic acid. It is important in the production of collagen, which is a protein responsible for skin elasticity and firmness. It is a potent antioxidant that help protect your skin from free radical damage. Now, what is free radicals? Free radicals are unstable molecules that steal electron from a healthy cell, destroying the healthy cell. When there are too many free radicals, there's something called as oxidative stress that happens. Think of oxidative stress as a villain that rusts everything from within your cell, your organs, and even DNA. Think of antioxidants as a hero that provide electron to these free radicals and stabilize them. Thereby, there is no oxidative stress at all. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. Food examples of vitamin C are amla, oranges, bell peppers, kiwi, etc. The second nutrient is vitamin E. Along with vitamin C, it enhances photoprotection. What is photoprotection? It is to protect our skin from the UV damage caused by the sun. It also moisturizes our skin and reduces oxidative stress. The food sources are almond, sunflower seeds, avocado, and spinach. The next nutrient is omega 3 fatty acids. They act as a barrier for our skin and also reduces dryness and redness, and it is also anti-inflammatory. Vegetarian sources are flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Non-vegetarian sources are fish like mackerel, sardine, and salmon. The next nutrient is zinc. It is very important in wound healing and also it reduces oil production, thereby reducing acne. Food sources are pumpkin seeds, lentils, chickpeas, and cashews. The next nutrient is beta carotene or vitamin A. Now, when we have beta carotene, our body converts it to vitamin A, which is very important for skin regeneration. Also, it's important to maintain tone and glow of your skin. And also, it acts as a natural sunblock. The food sources are sweet potato, carrot, and spinach. Last but not the least is skin hydrating foods. These foods are very important for detoxification and plump of our skin. Examples are watermelon, cucumber, orange, etc. Now we heard about all the food that needs to be included. Let's discuss about the food that needs to be excluded. Sugary foods. They trigger glycation, that is, they break down collagen and accelerate aging. So, all the sugary foods, beverages, and drinks that you're having, reduce them. The next point is not for everyone, it is for those who are prone to acne. For example, teenagers or people in general who are prone to acne. When you have dairy, it increases IGF-1, which is an insulin like growth hormone, which increases sebum production, clogs the pores, and increases your acne. So, reduce dairy products if you are prone to acne. It could be paneer, milk, cheese, etc. The next point is to cut down on processed food and fried foods because it increases inflammation that leads to a unhealthy skin. The last point is avoiding excessive caffeine and alcohol as they dehydrate and pulls your skin out of the hydration, the plump, and makes it look dull. I know most of you would be eating and some of it would be your favorite foods. Do not completely stop it if you can't. Reduce the frequency of it initially and gradually you can take it out of your lifestyle. Along with all of these foods to be included and excluded, it is very important to prioritize your sleep because your skin regenerates when you're sleeping. To aim to get somewhere around 7 to 9 hours of sleep, manage your stress. We all have stress in our life, but managing is the key. Yoga, meditation, mindfulness will help manage stress, right? The last but not the least is exercising It will flush out the toxins out of your body because blood flow is pumped up when you're exercising. Along with all of these tips, I had mentioned there's a surprise tip by the end of the video. It is to include green tea. It has something called as EGCG, which is a polyphenol that reduces oil production and reduces acne. It also helps with collagen production, and it is also anti-inflammatory for those people who are very much suffering from acne. If you're having like 3 to 4 cups of milk tea and coffee, replace 1 or 2 cups with green tea and it will help you with your acne for sure. Now, I know all these foods to be included and the food that needs to be excluded all at once might be feeling overwhelming to you. So take it slow, gradually, include 1 or 2 food from the inclusion, reduce the frequency of the food that we discussed not to include, and one day there will be a list of foods in inclusion that is part of your diet, and food that are excluded will become lower and lower as the day passes by. If you like this video, share it with someone who is into skincare and tell them not just depend on expensive skincare product but also to eat healthy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such nutrition backed contents. Until I see you guys on next video, stay hydrated, stay healthy and glowing.